Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change someone's nickname in an Instagram group chat. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then, tap the message icon in the top right corner of your home screen to access your direct messages. From your list of chats, find and tap on the group chat where you want to change a nickname. Once you're in the group chat conversation, tap the group name at the top of the screen to open the group settings. In the group settings, scroll down to the nicknames option and tap on it. You'll see a list of all the members in the group chat. To set a nickname for someone, simply tap on their name. A pop-up screen will appear where you can enter the new nickname in the provided section. After entering the new nickname, tap Done to confirm. You can repeat the same steps for each group member to give them a unique nickname. Once you've set a nickname for someone, everyone in the group chat will get a notification letting them know that the nickname has been updated. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.